Exercise 11.1. That first problem is in right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. First we can draw the right angle triangle. Here A, B, C. The AB length is 8 centimeter, BC length is 15 centimeter, CA length is 17 centimeter respectively. Then find sine A. Sine A is equal to, this is the angle A, opposite by hypotenuse. That is nothing but sine A is equal to 15 by 17. Cos A, it is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to, for A angle, this is the adjacent side. So it is 8 centimeter by 17 centimeter. From this we can write cos A equal to 8 by 17. Next, the third one is tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. From this we can write tan A equal to opposite is 15, adjacent is 8. These are the trigonometric functions what they have asked. Okay. The second problem is the sides of a right angle triangle PQR. Angle Q is 90 degrees. It is the Q angle. This is 90 degrees. And in this PQ is PQR. Suppose we are taking the points. Here PQ is 7 centimeter. PR is 25 centimeter respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. This is tan P. So tan P means, from this we can write tan P equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is RQ by adjacent side is PQ. This is opposite by adjacent. And tan R is equal to, this is the angle R. For this angle the opposite side is PQ is the opposite side, adjacent side is RQ. This is opposite by adjacent. Okay, this is the formula for angle P and angle R. But we don't know the value of RQ. This we should find by using of the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. From this, hypotenuse is 25 whole square is equal to opposite square is 7 square plus RQ square. Then RQ square is equal to 25, 25 is a 625 minus 7, 7 is a 49. It is equal to 6, 11 means 7, 576. 576 means that is RQ is equal to under root of 576. This is the 24 whole square, 24. Just we can multiply 24 into 24. 4 4s are 16. 1 is the carry. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So here RQ is equal to 24. When we know the adjacent side or another side, then easy to find out the tan P minus tan R. Tan P minus tan R is equal to, tan P means for P opposite by adjacent, that is RQ equal RQ by PQ, 24 by 7 minus tan R means opposite is 7, adjacent is 24, 7 by 24, that is equal to, taking the LCM, 24 into 7, power cut అయింది. అది మొబైల్ హాట్స్పాట్ ఆన్ చేయి. పోయింది, మొబైల్ హాట్స్పాట్ ఆన్ చేయి. ఎందుకు? నా దగ్గర ఫోన్ లేదు, ఉందా?
టీపీ లింక్ కనెక్టెడ్ ఏం కాదు.
టీపీ లింక్ అంటే
అది వేరే వాళ్ళు అంటే కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది, పాస్వర్డ్ అవుతుంది కనెక్ట్ అయింది ఇప్పుడు.
ఓకే,
బతికింది.
576 minus 49, that is it's 7, 6 means 2, 520 by 7 4s are 28, 2 7 4s are 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 168. Therefore, tan P minus tan R is equal to 527 by 168. Third problem. In a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B. First we can draw right angle triangle. Right angle at B, this is B, here 90 degrees, in which small a, suppose we are taking it is the vertices of the other two are A and C. Then the small letters can be denoted the opposite of the angles. Here A is the angle, the opposite side is called as small a is the length, and small b is it is the opposite. This is the 25, this is small b, and small a it is 24, and this is the angle C, the opposite side is small c. Okay, here, and angle BAC equal to theta. Here we are taking this is the theta angle. Then find cos theta and tan theta. The cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is the formula. And tan theta equal to, formula is opposite by adjacent sides. If we know the trigonometry formulas with the related of the right angle triangle, which is the opposite, which is the adjacent. Here, the two sides they have given, but we don't know the third side. When we know the third side, then only we are getting the trigonometric functions. For the finding of the third side, we are using the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Here, hypotenuse square is 25 whole square is equal to adjacent square is 24 square plus opposite side we don't know. From this, we can write opposite is equal to under root of 25 is 625 minus 24 is 576 it is equal to root 49 is equal to 7. We discussed earlier problem that is also same related of the values of 7, 24, 25. Just here subtract, we are getting the 49 only. Then now we have the values of each and every side of the right angle triangle. Then we can write what is the cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent. Adjacent is 24 by hypotenuse is 25. And tan theta is equal to, wait. Here cos theta means this is the cos theta. For this, what is the adjacent? This is the adjacent side. Why? Because the theta is connecting with the side. So it is 7 by 25. And the tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is, this is the opposite. The angle theta, opposite side is this one opposite. So it is equal to 24 by adjacent is 7. So these are the values of the given right angle triangle ABC. The fourth problem is if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A if A is less than 90 degrees. Now again we can draw the right angle triangle. So in this, A angle, one is the 90 degrees, the other two are less than 90 degrees only. Suppose we are taking it is A, B, C is the triangle ABC. In this, cos A is equal to, we know that the cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here adjacent side is, it is 12, hypotenuse is, it is 13. Then to find out sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and tan A is equal to sin A by cos A or opposite side by adjacent side. So from using of the again by the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is 13 square equal to 12 square plus BC square. From this, BC square or BC equal to positive square root of 13 square minus 12 square. It is equal to under root of 13. 13 is 169 minus 12, 12 is 144. Equal to root 25 is equal to 5. So this is the 5. From this, we can write sin A equal to opposite, that is opposite is BC, but 5 by 13, hypotenuse is 5 by 13, and tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is 5 by 12. These are the values. Fifth problem, if 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find out the sin A and cos A. Again, we can draw the right angle triangle. In that, A, B, C is the right angle triangle. This is A angle at B 90 degrees. Then, given that the relation is 3 tan A is equal to 4. 3 is taking to right side, then tan A is equal to 4 by 3. We know that tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. Again by the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equal to 3 square plus 4 square Then AC equal to under root of 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. It is under root of 25 equal to 5. So the hypotenuse is 5. Next, to find out the sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse. From this, we can write sin A is equal to opposite side is 4, hypotenuse is 5. And tan A is equal, cos A is equal to
రానేసుకో
adjacent side by hypotenuse. From this, cos A is equal to adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. These are the values from the given.